Wow. Give to them at the line up, see now. Line up. I don't know this kind of thing.
I can't pretend to know.
Mommy, I don't get money to pay my house, so mommy help me a bit.
Please stop this. Stop it. Stop it.
Young girls now come block us. I just want to start oil business, Daddy, please, oil business. I want to start oil business, please. I want to start oil business, Daddy,
I have a special presentation to make. I am highly very glad about what I am saying in this ministry. I'm coming to this place for the first time. I've watched you over the Facebook and your wife. Your spiritual contribution to this program makes this place a
Check your shoe now.
This is what people are going through. I just thought I should share this with the world. People are suffering. The Voice of Solution just came back from her tour in Europe and England, and then this is what is waiting for the Voice of Solution. This indicates that mommy has been carrying lots of load. She just returned back to the country, and this is what we're seeing. This is what we're seeing. I just had to share a bit of this video with the world at large. This is what is happening here shortly after service. Shortly after service, we're trying to organize the people so that, in fact, the Voice of Solution had to run, made an escape into the vehicle after she had shared money to so many persons, and she was just about to be stampeded. She was just about to be stampeded. Okay, she returns back. Mommy Rose returns back to the scene where this compassionate mother has to reach out to the widows. Look at hungry people everywhere. Hungry people everywhere. Most of these people said to the hearing of this camera that they've not eaten for 2 days. Some say they have not eaten for 3 days. Mommy had to just do an emergency sorting. Some of them have children, some of them are breastfeeding mothers. You can imagine how they are dragging her hand. Dragging her hand. The Voice of Solution is just simply trying to help.
Anybody will carry picking? Anybody will carry picking? Anybody will get picking? Come on, make that. Nothing mother, please go. Are you carrying baby? Somebody is carrying. Stop pushing them up. Don't push them again. Nothing mother. Nothing mother. Go. Bye, Papa. Bye, baby. God bless you. Bye, baby. Bye, baby. Hello. Enter, why you doing? Go back. Nothing mother. How are you? They do not keep you alive to eat the fruit of your labor. Your children will grow in the fear and the wisdom of God. You will not love your children. They are not mothers.
Our Mommy in the Lord, the Voice of Solution, reaching out to nursing mothers. And this money to buy food for their children, buy Pampers. You could hear clearly from her voice, buy Pampers, buy baby milk, buy this, buy that. Oh, no wonder Mommy had to end her Europe tour abruptly, because she was billed to be in Italy. She was also billed to be in Spain, but she had to cut short the Europe tour to come to Africa to attend to this woman.
You will not die before your time. You will eat the fruit of your labor. They make us stop pushing her. Big pass of success. Big pass of success. Madam, are you pregnant? You not registered? You never registered? Oh, you are going to give him money to register. Big pass. That was big pass. Be careful, make them not push you. Nothing mother, so they don't finish. Nothing mother. Nothing mother. How are you? On the internet, let's go. Enter. Don't push them.
But how can I enter the car and leave when these women are still here? Mommy, how can I possibly enter? Okay, we'll feed you back with more. Just to let you know that we're still here, and the voice of solution still here, reaching out to
see us, they hide the face, they tell me.
Nippers.
I beg her, they come and you know, where my dad now?
Madam, why did you say come? What did you say?
Because of left house, they pursue us. But the man cries. If you say you pay, or we don't have to pay for 3 years. Then we not do anything, but I don't know where to go again. Since my only take 3,000 away, now I take 3,000 my daughter and son. That's 3,000. I go 2,000, 10,000. So what I want to help you for the left house. Please, mommy. Yes. How many? It's the 1,000.
Wow, that's too cheap.
3 years, yes, mommy.
How many rooms?
One room, bedroom, and toilet.
Wow,
For Kamusa.
My husband run me. My children have never
3 years,
my children have never
One room now, they will pay for 40,000.
Oh, yeah, now. Because we got settled, no problem.
My children never enter school. My children never enter school. What the man running? Don't let me. I want a future of my children. Join line, don't you? If you don't leave them, I go marry my neighbor. Marry my neighbor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the husband abandoned her and married her neighbor. These are the cases that mommy has been treating. The children has never been enrolled in any academic institution since they were born. Look at her kids. Look at her kids. The husband abandoned her to marry her neighbor. What a situation. What a time. What a time. What a time we are going through.
Your uncles are asking to leave the house. Yes, mommy. You are mature enough to take care of yourself. Where your husband? You don't get husband, but you have 4 children. Yes. So what do you want me to do for you? Excuse me. You don't have husband, but you have 4 children. Why? Why did you have? Why do you have to have 4 children? With that husband?
Just a 3 months, mommy. Just 3 months, and I
Mommy, please. This I come to my time for the decision. Mommy, carry some before you say God. The mommy of money doesn't really remember me.
Yeah, wait.
With the same children. With the same children, they took everything away. There's a time to know where the man died.
What did they work?
We are I'm selling an open show for me. After the death, we came back. It's from there we eating. So landlord want to push us. So I sold everything to the position so that we be there.
You sold everything.
So now
Give us 15. From now to 15. Back out from the company.
So you don't have anything now. So where will you pack it now?
I said to God.
Where will you pack it?
Mommy, I don't know. Mommy, I don't know.
Where is DA? Where are these people? Madam, stay here. I will attend to you. But stay here.
Mommy is sorting them out, asking them to stand by. Those of them with heavy cases, the one whose husband abandoned her with the children.
You just have your water.
I don't do the house.
Come this way, come this way. Nothing more than first.
And so some of those difficult cases like the one...
Is that what your husband left you? Your husband left you with 4 children and ran away?
Yes.
Wow.
Madam, please cover your breast.
Cover your breast first. Because of plenty. Or stand here. There is Pastor Success for crying out loud.
Mommy is sorting this woman out. Those of them with difficult cases, she sets them aside in order to attend to them. The one whose husband abandoned, very protected case, abandoned her and the children and married her neighbor. What an anathema.
Stand up. Come this way. Come this way. I don't tell you what to do. That side.
And so mommy continues to give this woman money to at least buy food for their household.
Come. Give me that song. Come, give me that song. Give him the water. This woman, wait fast before. Can you come there like this? Oh, yeah, wait for me, wait for me. Don't cry. Go and get me water.
Hello.
This broadcast is reaching you live from unveiling the veiled city of testimonies in Abuja. And mommy continues to share the money to at least have a meal or have food on the table this weekend. Next week, Wednesday, Mommy reaching out to nursing mothers.
Mommy, please. Mommy, please. I know how to do it. Now,